Okay. Got my 1x2 on here driving. The straight 10. Oh, it's a bad dude right here. I am in average on a 2000 scale. Hello, audio, hello, audio, break, 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 break. Hello, audio, audio, audio. Not even gonna put it on peak. All it's gonna do is peg out the meter. All right, well, that's dummy load. My antenna won't handle it. My little bandit ground plane out here won't handle it. Dummy load ain't hot yet. Preamp works. I don't see any transformers getting hot. So, hold on a minute. Okay, well, I'm not seeing any imbalances whatsoever. Modulation lights are pretty cool. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, Lord. Hello, 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 hello. Driver's being driven on 15 volts. Swinging about 450. $425. Well, anyway, that concludes this video. We're gonna put it on hold right here. We're gonna do some more checking. Alley Cat Town, Fat Cat Amps. This is what I've seen here on the dryer plug. Burnt slap up. Which might be why they were having a hot transformer problem. This connection was loose. As you can see, it's burned up here. This is no longer stranded wire. It has now been fused solid. So anyway, amp seems to be working good. So that's probably all it was. Alley Cat, Fat Cat Amps, and I'm gone.